Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are from LAX2019, Group 17. Today is our first discussion. Before we go to our discussion, we would like to introduce ourselves one by one. So my name is Nur Atika binti Mazanuddin. My matrix number is 197980.
Hi, my name is Nurul Helena binti Kamarudin and my metro number is 199140.
My name is Nuriza binti Mashum. My metric number is 199202.
My name is
Hi, my name is Nurhana binti Marif and my metro number is 198646.
My name is Tan Yu Ying. My matrix number is 203703.
My name is Chong Won Chi. My metric number is 203131.
My name is Lu Hui Ping. My metric number is 202598.
My name is Kong Bok Kau, metric number 202X76.
My name is Muhammad Nazri bin Sabaruddin, matrix number 199619.
So, as we know that we are going to produce a DIY project from this lab. So, today we will discuss the suggestion about what's DIY project that we want to do. So, anyone from you have an idea what we want to do from our project?
Yes, I do have some suggestions. I suggest that we make some container that can use to keep some things.
From what we make the container?
From what I think from paper is that we can make a process like we got 3 layer and then we can spin it. So it will be convenient for us to place elements.
I agree with our friend. Maybe we could try to use recyclable materials to make it more environmentally friendly.
Yes, and it also can be so become harmful if we can use some kind of fire. And anybody got
I have a suggestion. I think that we can use the rulers like rulers thing like that. We put the bag and we can decide by drawing the different components. Quite many projects.
Okay, I also have a suggestion. We can do a stationery kit. For example, we can do a pen holder, book holder, or some pencil case by plastic bottle. So this is a necessary thing for us. I think we can use it.
My idea.
Yes, we can use it after this project.
We can also use, other than plastic bottles, we can also make it from ice cream sticks. And stack it.
Yeah. The box, no box also can.
Another opinion. So for now we have container and also the stationery box and stationery. We have three. And then do anyone have
My suggestion is, how about we do small, such as a makeup box from the shoes box. Like we do a makeup from the shoes box, and we do like a makeup box or anything that we can put on, like the like pencil holder is common. How about we do like a box?
I agree with Africa because as we all know, girls or women have lots of skincare and makeup things. So when it's put in our locker locker, so it's quite messy, right? So I think makeup plus with skincare products, so it's suitable for And the material to do lots of makeup box, I think that is quite simple to find, such as Atika said, shoe socks, and we can decorate it with many things. You also can put bottles inside the box, and so we can put brushes for girls like makeup, also sort of brushes like that.
In addition, I think you can also put some mirror.
Yes, you can also put some mirror.
Up to I agree with that to a certain extent because using shoes both may be look very ugly, but you appear like when your makeup equipment
That's
I think before using the exact shoebox, we have to wrap it using any toilet paper or any recyclable paper.
also another problem is that because this group not just girl, how about the boys?
Or also can place something into the box, pencil, shampoo also can.
You also have skincare.
but also have skincare.
Unexpected things.
Maybe for the best, we could use it for another purpose. So maybe we can use it to put our stuff, our phone, our wallet, or another small stuff.
Like key, fast key, so we can put holder.
The box also we can make divided like if you don't want to put everything on this, so boys maybe can put the box. Other than the box, we can use like box, tissue box, and yang box that box video that is the packaging is from the box. You can cut the box into some partition and put it in the box. And box also can use it to put the stationery that you may see in the okay,
We're sorry about we changed location because it was raining. So we'll continue our discussion for now. So Fatiha, what were you saying before?
Okay. Just now I was saying about multi-purpose box, right? Who said just now? You. Yes. So, so I want to add something. Like just now we said that the box is for girls, right? So boys also can use that box, like using cereal box or anything. The packaging is from the box. We can cut the box into some part, and we can, if you want to make it pretty, you can wrap it, and if you don't want, we can put the box that we cut into some part in the drawer and put all your things like stationery, keys, coins to make it look tersusun, what tersusun? To make it neat and organized. Yes. Okay, so
I think that if we really want to do that box, I can suggest some theory that from my what the box I suggest to do, we can combine with yours. Then anybody got other suggestions?
I have another idea, something different from what we have discussed just now. Why don't we do some flower pots that can be made from plastic bottles or tin biscuit. So that is more environmental friendly, and we can plant not just flower but also vegetables that can be eat after eat as regular.
Yes, yes, yes.
So agree with Karina this time because she said that she want to make a flower pot or vegetable pot because I think that is suitable for us because nowadays we know lots of vegetables contain many type of pesticides that sometimes we don't know, and sometimes it also can harmful to ourselves also. So when we plant it ourselves, so we can eat safely, and we also know what we plant and about the pesticide or that allowed for our health. So I think that is suitable also, and it's quite easy because we either we can plant one type of plants, we can make many types because we can make maybe in one set we have 6 pot maybe so we can make it. So any other idea?
I agree with you guys. I think that is a good idea. Actually, I also have the same idea with you guys. I think to use the plastic bottle to make the flower pot and the watering can, because by using the unused plastic bottle, we can reduce pollution and reduce the waste in the landfills. And as you guys say, it's very environment friendly. So it's a good idea.
But I didn't agree with the power pot. I think the multi-purpose box is more suitable for us. The multi-purpose box also can use and pot. The power pot also can. So, so no. So I think the multi-purpose box is quite good. So let's see our suggestions for our DIY project. So our first suggestion was the pencil holder, the multi-purpose box, the piggy bank, and also the flower pot. So everyone, what's your opinion? Which one do you think is the best for us to do for our first DIY project?
Actually can divide it into I think 3 categories of it. Yeah, right.
Yes.
So we just divided it into 3 categories first. So it was like the multi-purpose box already can combine with the pencil holder. Yeah, those two one is one category, and flower pot is another category for gardening, and the piggy bank is for what? What is it for?
It's coins. Money.
Piggy bank.
So we can.
Oh, so we can do.
So that means
we can do all of it.
we want to do all of this.
So which one do you think is the first one that we want to do first?
I think the first thing that we can do is the multi-purpose box. Then we add on the pencil holder in the multi-purpose box, and we also can do the piggy bank also. So our multi-purpose box will become more useful, more function.
One thing. Because I also think that Japan's multi-purpose box is quite simple compared to power pots because all of us are students, right? So like it's suitable for us to use and don't have to take care every day. Like power pot, we have to take care and we have to watch it. And sometimes when we have some break or holidays and when we go homes with our homes, that can we leave our power pot
And we
with the
forget about
and we
it.
forget about how to want.
Plant cactus.
Yes,
Cactus.
Because not everybody want to planting and with the knowledge how to plant the plant healthy. So I think it's not suitable for us. I think the multi-purpose box is more suitable for everyone.
For the next video, we gonna do the multi-purpose box, right?
So for the next discussion, we decide to discuss as well.
In advance, what are the materials that we're gonna use for the multi-purpose box and how to do it, and what is our role in that process. Yes. So I just want to know where all of you free for our next discussions.
I think we can do our discussion same place, same time next week.
Friday.
Yeah. Friday evening. Yeah.
Same here.
I think we can make a change in our WhatsApp group. So this is our suggestion.
Because sometimes we don't know. Maybe Fatiha have urgent meeting, right? We can update in our WhatsApp group.
Sorry to interrupt. For the first discussions, we are here to discuss the theme of the
The theme of our
So what? Accessory ya? Accessory cina.
multi-purpose.
Things that
It's called accessory.
I think the container or what? Recycle things.
Recycle things. That's our thing. Recycle.
Responsibility. So any of our
Okay, so that's our theme.
We have to 3 hours. We support.
Okay. So that's the end of our discussion for today. That's all right. Thank you.
See you next video.